Yung play niya, natutuwa ako talaga. But for me, I think it will be very difficult to implement a jury system in our country. Kasi ako lang mismo, kahit sa bahay natin, we have arguments when it comes to politics. We disagree on a lot of things. And then I get very emotional. I cry what's going on with our country. That is true. I really cry because I tell myself, bakit nagiging ganito yung bansa natin? Saan tayo patungo? It's very nakaka-dishearten ba? Pero what I do after is what Marian is doing. I pray. Doon ako humuhugot ng lakas na, Lord, tulungan mo kami bilang Pilipino, bilang mamamayang Pilipina, bilang isang bansang Pilipinas, na magkaisa, na magkaroon ng kapayapaan or magkaroon ng solusyon kung paano ba patatakbuhin ang bansang Pilipinas. So that's just my...
You know what yun yung sinasabi mo siguro, thank you for that. Hindi ka planted. Just to connect siguro what you're saying, no? We can't escape, parang they feel like they can't escape. That's actually us in this society. Now, we are disheartened with what's happening. We're disillusioned with the people that we look up to, and then turn out to be not the way that they're supposed to be. But we can't escape the society. Gusto mo mag-ibang bansa ka, but we're still in the society. So yun. Na kung ganito yung pananaw mo, ganito ako magdedesisyon, you have to live with the society. You have to find a compromise. Hindi pwedeng yung makakapag ka, nasa yung posisyon at personality. So yung haba ng book yun.